What's going on YouTube? Dennis here, and today we're going to be doing a quick update on my Sofi Invest portfolio. Now, we had a good day so far, so I want to kind of show you guys what we are looking at. So total in our investing portfolio is about $696. You can see over here, kind of ignore the gains a little bit here, unfortunately, but look at today's change. We're up at $36.82. If you want to take a look quickly on our crypto here, our total gains right now are $21.96. So that's looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and kind of break into our investing portfolio a little bit more to see exactly kind of like what has been happening just over so far with what we have invested in. All right, so here, let's go ahead and kind of take a look at our holdings and see what we have. We own two different ETFs, and that's pretty much what we're focused on in this portfolio. I just kind of want to see how they perform on this platform. One of them, actually both of them, are SoFi ETFs. Some of them you can buy on other brokerages, so keep that in mind. The first one is GIGE, and the second one is Sfyx. So you could see here we have about 7 shares of Sfyx and then 14 shares of GIGE. Now, the cool thing is the GIGE one is actually really focused in on the gig economy. So we can kind of see right now our unrealized gains, we're actually down 7 cents, which might be like, well, I thought you said you're in the positive, but we were actually down pretty significantly because when we started buying into this, the market was already kind of tumbling. And so we kind of just started rolling with that tumble. And like I said, we had a good day. So let's kind of click in here and take a quick look. So you can see, let me kind of move myself out of the, actually I was in a good spot there. So you can see right over here, my total value is about $542 in this one. Actually, let me see, can I, all right, let's get back in here. So you can see my total value is $542. Like I said, I got about 14 shares in here. Average cost is about $38.73. So I'm actually almost pretty much on par with where the market is right now. Obviously, it fluctuates a little bit here and there. And then we could see here our total return is less than negative 1%, which is good. No dividends received because we just got into this holding. Sorry, my picture is kind of a little fuzzy. I don't know why it's doing that. But nonetheless, we're going to keep on proceeding here. But yeah, we're up about 6.95% today, which is about $2.52 in gains. So let's kind of go to the week and see here. So yeah, we kept buying during this drop off right over here. Obviously, if I knew when that bottom was, that'd be great. Just because we have a good day doesn't mean that's going to continue. There can be opportunities for the market to go back down. So just something to kind of keep in mind for the long term there. But I mean, I don't know. I'm kind of just wanted to invest in this one to kind of show you guys a little bit more of this platform, which if you guys, by the way, are interested in checking out SoFi, they do have a really cool bonus sign up. So if you want to check out the link in the show notes down below and sign up for SoFi Invest, put in a certain amount, you will get a nice little bonus. That also does help support me out so I can continue to provide free videos just like this for you guys. So you can see here in the 52-week high, we were up to 48.58. Obviously, I wasn't invested yet, but that's the high. The low was actually 13.81 in the last 52 weeks, but that's accounting for the big drop back in March of 2020, which is weird because we're in March again and things are going all crazy again too. So I don't know if it's going to be as big of a down as before. In case you're curious with this one is really focused on the gig economy. So we got things like Airbnb, we got Twitter, Shopify, PayPal, Fiverr, Square, Upwork, and all these different ones over here, which is kind of funny because you know, some of these might be their competitors in some ways. Obviously, Square has like Cash App, which has the Cash App Invest, which, by the way, I also do now have a series that I'm getting started with where I'm going to be buying $1 into 5 different stocks on Cash App. So if you guys are interested in checking that out too, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you can get notifications when that comes out too. Effectively, I just love testing out these investing apps and kind of just, you know, having some money plugged in so you guys can see things in real time. So hopefully this gives you value in that. And if it does, hit the like button too, because that'll kind of help out there as well. So let's go ahead and take a look right over here. So the other one that we have is Sfyx right over here. And this one you can see, so its current market price is $13.33. It's up about only 1.76% today, so not as big of a jump. You could see, I mean, it's like one trade, another trade. Like it's definitely not moving as quickly as some other stocks. Obviously, the limitations of who can buy this is mainly on SoFi, but also a few other platforms like I mentioned. So we have the 7 shares. Average cost is $13.34, so we're only down a penny. So 7 cents is what we're down. a penny per share is what we're down, I should say. So this one right here is just 500 mid-cap companies. So this one, it's weighted each company based off 3 growth signals. So it's not just market cap. So there's a couple different indicators in there as well. The 52-week high on this one was $14.28. The 52-week low was $6.44. I'm not putting as much as you can see because this only has 7 shares as I am with the GIG one. The GIG one is the one I'm actually more interested in to see how it has an effect long term. So I'm excited to see where that one's going to go for the future. If you guys, again, want to follow along, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But even better, check out my next video right over here because you can keep on learning and growing and checking out my other investing portfolios. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.